Welcome to our channel. Filing a life insurance claim during a difficult time requires navigating paperwork and procedures. Follow these step-by-step instructions to process the claim efficiently. Step 1. Locate the life insurance policy documents or contact the employer's benefits department if the policy was through work. Note the policy number and insurance company contact information. Step 2. Order multiple certified copies of the death certificate, typically 10 to 15 copies. You'll need these for the insurance claim and other estate matters. Step 3. Contact the insurance company directly by phone to report the death and request claim forms. Ask about their specific requirements and estimated processing timeline. Step 4. Complete the claim forms accurately and thoroughly. Provide the deceased's full name, policy number, date of death, and beneficiary information as requested. Step 5. Gather required documentation including the certified death certificate, completed claim forms, and a copy of the policy if available. Some companies may require additional documents. Step 6. Submit the claim with all required documents via the method specified by the insurance company, typically online, by mail, or through the agent. Keep copies of everything. Step 7. Choose your benefit payout option. Options typically include lump sum, installments, or an annuity. Consider consulting a financial advisor before deciding on large amounts. Step 8. Follow up with the insurance company if you don't receive confirmation within 2 weeks. Most claims are processed within 30 to 60 days if all documentation is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.